Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I love Mexican cuisine with all its great bold flavors. Since the 80s, I've been creating recipes using Mexican ingredients and seasoning. There's a Mexican condiment that I've been enjoying for a few decades. But when I met David and he made me taste his version, oh boy, was it ever amazing! In today's episode, I'll show you how to make his creamy spicy guacamole. I'm telling you, this recipe is the best I've ever had. It's smooth, creamy, with a nice bite of spice. It is a perfect combination of ingredients. When I need guacamole in one of my recipes, this is the one I use. So my friends, let's get cooking. I won't go into details to how to prepare an avocado, but if you'd like to learn, click on the top right corner of your screen. So after scooping the flesh, we'll mash the avocados by either using a steel potato masher, which is the fastest way, or if you want to take your time, use a fork. After this, we'll squeeze the juice of half a lime to prevent browning and also add flavor, and we'll quickly stir it in. Next, we'll add pressed garlic, minced red onion, as well as minced red pepper. We'll combine the ingredients very well before seasoning with freshly ground black pepper and a generous amount of hot sauce. Now, if you don't like spicy food, add less. Then finally, the last ingredient, light sour cream. We'll blend everything well and, like I always say, taste and adjust if it needs it. And my friends, this is our creamy, spicy guacamole. Smooth, velvety, and delicious, this is a yummy twist on an old Mexican classic. With just the right amount of spiciness, this is a dip that you'll be sure to love. It will definitely enhance recipes that call for guacamole. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!